nyame na from the akame and so am dey ache okodai so now mu ho so hwe
in fact
this morning
in fact this morning very unfortunate news be am say and my medwunyema kakra my medwunyema ho kakra like I mean in life one of the most important things is to be alive.
Yeah.
And whatever
no nipa de o sorry na won kwa o ade ewu
yeah
onyane onku a
yeah
oni mo china you don't know
yeah
oni plans anyankopɔ wo ma o china
yeah
enti na nipa bia eni se sabi wa wo je won kwa no onyankopɔ o won ne papi de ma but a matter of time
yeah
anti o ma de echi wa it means say so na no purpose no
yeah
ebe ye adwuma anti yenu nsuo na yentwe won pa bibia be fine we are very fine but anyway before we start all discussions no and now you say
yeah
say ushe game na on the face of it no
yeah
you feel us ni na no e favor Atletico Madrid because you feel say Arsenal adwene no ayemienu
yeah
he's thinking about the EPL winning it and then at the same time say obetimi akọ final since 2006 at Arsenal a call a final into obenya divided attention which and then the Bema Atletico Madrid will take advantage of it and come to Emirates and beat Arsenal but in Tiamsa Arsenal Atletico Madrid 1-0 on the final. What happened?
Rich, and I like the fact say what can I say because I know who say your TFO back could be the message by say I predicted that Atletico will win because I hate Arteta. I don't hate Arteta. In pain, when we are doing our analysis, we try to do it devoid of emotions, sentiments, and feelings. A projection and I'm ahead of the game, right? And just like you have said, how I saw it is how I predicted it.
Okay.
The fact say and Sixano doesn't mean say I hate Arteta. No, I don't hate Arteta. In fact, one of the guys who has really loved Arteta and his style, especially with Arsenal and the kind of result and the project that he was building over the years, and now I was one of those guys who was really confident in him. Except say the analysis and how we are doing it, sometimes you have to project it in a certain direction. Now in football, what are the outcomes? It's a win, draw or lose. If after yesterday, Arsenal proved say, even beyond all the odds, they can go ahead and win a game, that is exactly the kind of Arsenal that you expect to go ahead and even win either the Champions League or the English Premier League. I want to give credit to Arteta. Why? Because he has proved some of us wrong. Say, difficult moments, sir, he can still get the result. In fact, yesterday, match year. Once the second half started, game a progressive kakrano, he decided to substitute Eberechi Ezemo. Good. Bukayo Saka mu yomu frame.
The Mando okay.
Why do you think Arteta will do that?
Martinelli.
Yes. Why do you think Arteta will do that? He's doing that because the kind of belief and trust on the players and the kind of squad depth is something that goes in his advantage.
But Arsenal has a squad depth in the
it's crazy. Rich. And yesterday, I was more impressed because after scoring 1-0 right before the halftime, Kobia, Obeka's the second half, I want to add one more goal before I take my key players out in preparation for a weekend games the Premier League. But now, once he came back in the second half, he didn't see the need to keep them on. Because at least he had a belief and trust or the Madueke bar. Even beyond all the conversations that have been had about Madueke inconsistency, about. And yesterday when he came, Madueke had a certain influence on the game. And somebody would have watched and said, okay, yes, Madueke cannot be compared to Bukayo Saka, but yesterday he came in and he did something. It's rich. 2023-24, Arteta, quarter-final for Arsenal. 24-25, that was last season, semi-final. And then this year, final. Budapest journey, it looks like we are almost there. And like I said, I'm very impressed with Arteta and the kind of footballer. But yesterday, we could tell for sure, say, the Arsenal boys were really happy after the game. Because Obia, the last time we bought Champions League final was in 2006. And this is 20 years ago. And for you to have done this again 20 years later, you have every reason to be happy. In general, when they were celebrating and rejoicing, yes, we were cast a Munyambo final on yet. Basa Munyaji said the Mambo final. No, they have every right to be happy. Rich. Because look at Arsene Wenger in 2006. When they had qualified to the final and everybody knew, say, once they had gotten there, at least they could have put a surprise on Barcelona. In that game in the final, I'm going to say first goal. But they managed to blow it somehow. A lot is left to be seen of this Arsenal team and qualify for the final. Because everybody is talking about whether they're going to face Bayern or PSG. And now, I saw something very funny. Now, Bukayo Saka, Kase, he's waiting for the kind of opponent they will face, and everybody knows the kind of opponent that they will play. But I'll get there. But Rich, when you look at Arsenal 14 way, this was the 2006 final, boy, and you compare it to this current generation Arsenal, Team Ben Audrey say a year stronger. And I just want to ask you, because this is the Arsenal team that is going to the final this year.
Don't forget, this Arsenal team are competing throughout the Champions League.
Yes. Good. But Rich, look at this Arsenal team and let's compare them to this team. The likes of Ashley Cole, Thierry Henry, Freddie Ljungberg. There was Robert Perez in there, Kolo Toure, Emmanuel Eboué, Gilberto Silva, Jens Lehmann in goal, so Campbell as the captain. One will look at this team and then compare it to the other one. I can understand Rich said, okay, the current Arsenal team have gone unbeaten to a Champions League. But if you want to compare the quality and also try and make a prediction about a cup final at the end of it, do you think that this team is better than the current Arsenal team?
Yeah.
What do you think that this one is better?
This squad, in terms of experience, seeing it all, quality, Bibiasa team will be. Just that I'm call final against Barcelona, I'm going to win.
They went to compose and they lost it.
What I say? They didn't win 2-1 against Barcelona. And a team I know on the first UEFA Champions League final. And you see, Champions League na funny kakra. Competition and times you say OGB the call fair final we win. Sometimes it takes time. You keep knocking. Obe Nokia na ebia fair so ebia or second or third
attempt.
Na a smile on you. Ebia what you had the trophy no. So Arsenal ain't be Barcelona and the trophy in Nigeria no one because I'm first time. Right? Now this is the second time I'm call a final.
After 20 years.
After 20 years. And then now them come on and say after our first Champions League final now went to be a winner. And the experience no one going forward. Because experience come to bear. Champions League you need the simple how. You need to be experienced enough because on the night, and so take you chances. Chance in a bar, you need to take it because a moment. A final chance in a bar, 1 or 2, what about 2? What defending war? They said the Enra, Osha Arsenal nearly took over the game now. It was a game and too tight. Very, very tight. Because all the two teams now. Obian Pasoba committing very cautious. Natural born the bar no pray for you. And feel you kuta ball na waiting for the moment to pounce. So what I say. And Arsenal, and now the moment Bukayo Saka was there because or that striker instinct, and born at the Tottenham. And I mean, you could clearly see say time I born at Tottenham now. Me can't catch the boys and say, look, say let's manage the game. Because what it takes, or players that they can defend very, very well.
That's true.
But look, Saliba no home. I'm on focus on Bobo. And when I'm using Saliba in Bobo. Charlie, you can't be a defender, Saliba. My goodness.
But Rich, don't you think, say, the factor that will make a difference is that the current Arsenal team, no, share the knee experience. Do you think that is something that can make the difference? Do you think that's something that can make a difference?
So saying,
because this Arsenal team have not been to the Champions League final before. And the gap between the last time Mokoye and this time is 20 years. 80. You don't have the memory of going to Champions League final ever. And because of that,
experience is a
you said that this team has the experience, right?
Yeah.
And yes, in terms of togetherness.
Yeah.
But when you look at this Arsenal team, would they get to the final? And because they have not been there before, or because in the last 5 or 6 or even 10 years, they have not been there before, it is something that will go against them.
Kakra.
But I think a lot will also depend on the opponent, which is why I said the 2 remaining trophies that are left for Arsenal. 3 games left in the Premier League. Either they will meet Bayern Munich or Paris Saint-Germain in the final in the Champions League. And the biggest talking point to say the OBA is how Arsenal have gone unbeaten throughout the Champions League season, this season, and how they have defended so well and conceded very few goals, about 13 games, 10 wins and 3 draws. And when you look at the history of the Champions League, the only team or the only teams that have done that in recent history, Man City, that was in 2023-24. They went the whole season, Champions League season. They didn't lose, and they went on to win in the final. Real Madrid have also done it in past seasons. Bayern Munich in Swaye. But I think one of the greatest things for them, and they say they have had 30 clean sheets in all competitions. Arsenal. So they know for sure, say, one of the good things that really goes into their benefit is their defense. I was really watching carefully to see the kind of mistakes they will do at the back. Because if you have played a certain game against Man City in the Premier League and you sat so deep in terms of defense, at some point it was very difficult for you, and then you consider such a goal. I was also looking at it, say, at least in the Champions League, maybe there will be that kind of fear, and then you can make that sort of mistake. But now Arsenal, the kind of game they played, they solidified the defense, and they made sure that at every point in time, when Atletico were trying to pose a threat in the defense, they managed to solve that. Also, and also a very good statistic, it goes in their favor. That's Arsenal. Rich, one thing that's very important, I was highlighted, and they say Arteta himself would have been very happy. But you will show now share a tactical board a movie. Arteta would have said, say, he is very impressed with his team, but he will also be very careful about how Obebo final, because it looks quite clear that once he gets to the final, or now that he's in the final, whoever he's going to face is going to be an opponent that Obebo struggle to play against, and that is what we will see in today's game, again between Paris Saint-Germain and Bayern Munich. Now, when you look closely at Paris Saint-Germain and how they could shape up against Arsenal, that is, even if they get to the final, we are looking at a team that both played in the semi-final of the Champions League last season, and Paris Saint-Germain hit Arsenal in a way it is giving them a memory that once they meet them, they have to punish them. It's enough Bukayo Saka or say, you know deep down who we want to face and wanka the opponent, but we all know it. So once you meet PSG, or once they meet PSG in the final, it is something that they want to take a revenge against them. But the talking point more is on how that game between Bayern Munich and PSG, how it will be played today. Now, Rich, so many people are saying, say, we may see a repetition of the first leg, where high octane football from start to finish, one of the best Champions League matches that we have seen in recent history. But a lot could go wrong, because UTA managers need players or Makasa and some more can, starting from Jonathan Tah. Jonathan Tah say, in fact, yes, Warren Zaire Emery and Akasa will say, we are going to try to impose our game, to press like we do in every match and to win back the ball as much as possible. This team is made to attack, and that's what we are going to try to do tomorrow. It will come into the alliance. they know that whatever happens, they would have to get a goal. Because even though they have the advantage, a one goal advantage, you know, you cannot go to the alliance and try and sit back. And yes, Bayern would press you and they would get everything from that game. So at least you can get the kind of mindset on person on the back game. But when you listen to okay, yes, when you listen to Vincent Company as well, or say, can people expect the same game as last week? Or say it will always depend on both teams. If one decides to take a step back and defend more, then there could be some calmer faces in the game. Otherwise, there won't be. It's difficult to imagine that either team will change what brought them here in the first place. We are playing at home and we want to win and do everything to achieve it. It's Utie Vincent Company. It's very clear. Say, at least it depends on how PSG would want to come and play the game. Otherwise, to him, they will play the kind of game they have played in the first leg because they also want to get a win and get the goals at that. And so, however the game will go tonight, no, Rich, I really think that if you don't take care, what we saw in the first leg will be exactly what we saw in the second leg. Because Luis Enrique is not a coach that wants to go to Allianz Arena and go and play defensive football. So, Rich, at the end of the day, it will come down to who wants it the most and who can take advantage of the moment. Because last week, on the match, Vincent Company or Kasembi, or say, Unim say, Allianz Arena, Yakobo Allianz Arena, now, Ubana say, Unim say, on that day, no, you will not be able to make it to the stadium. Make sure you give your ticket to somebody who can be available. Because on that day, they want the whole atmosphere to be behind them. Mm-hmm. And that is the kind of game I am anticipating today, where you cannot really call at any moment who will qualify. Because once the game begins and the referee blows his whistle on the pair, so much energy and so much effort will go into both teams trying to get the goals in there into reach. When you look closely, also at Luis Enrique, also when you play this type of match against this opponent who is undoubtedly the strongest team we have faced, the first thing you want to do is you want to convey and have a one goal advantage, but that means nothing in football. We have the experience from last year and we are always looking to live up to the expectations of our supporters. If you look at both managers, both of them know that this game is a game where they have to score. But Rich, looking at the tactical side of things, Saobe Kaya in the first leg, Abrantia Vincent Company, Oma Conrad Lima Etnasi, Emma Canadian boy, and so many people were upset. So why would you drop Conrad Lima, or why would you replace Conrad Lima and allow a way to play? But Ushe, Jonathan Ta and Dayo Pomekano, so much pressure would be on them today, because in terms of defensive solidity, they haven't had it over a very long period of time. And when you look at all the goals that were considered, there were so many of those goals that just passed through them because they weren't able to keep their awareness and composure throughout the game. Oshe Obit Stanisic, a lot of things will depend on him in terms of defensive solidity. But in FIFA, between Pavlovic and Joshua Kimmich, I mean, they have been solid throughout the season. Held by Munich in very difficult phases, keeping composure and even in helping in both defense and also attack, serving as a link between defense and also the attack. But Rich, Luis Diaz, Musiala, Olise, Hurricane, everybody would expect, say, playing at home, they would get more goals because we already know the kind of solidity they have, the way on the ball, how they move forward, how they progress the ball in very dire circumstances. Obibetimiaka say, Ebia Jamal Musiala, sometimes in terms of his play, or you're quite slow kakra. But in terms of technical ability and awareness, once you add him to an attack like Olise, Kane, and Luis Diaz, and you create a space for him, he can be able to get the goals for you. So there are so many people who will be watching very closely. Say, Jamal Musiala playing, will he be able to link up play correctly with Olise or Luis Diaz? Because that is what so many people will be looking out for. But Hurricane over there in the heart of air attack, no, you can always expect that Hurricane will get a goal for you. So, high octane football tonight, but it will come down to the defense of both teams again. because that is where we saw that the weakness was in the first leg. Oshe PSG Fonso line up now. Yes, questions on Marquinhos and then Pacho, but can they get the job done? I think when you compare the two defense, you will see say PSG's defense is a bit more solid as compared to Bayern Munich full defense now, because Jonathan Tah, Upamecano, they have played together for quite a while, but they seem to be making very common errors. But between Marquinhos and Pacho, you can see Marquinhos with that experience and exposure, so he may be able to link up well with Pacho, telling him in most cases of the game, say, try and fall deep. Say, defend, let's prevent Hurricane from getting spaces, because if you create a space for them, they will score. So that is one thing that I believe PSG will be looking out for.
Okay.
Trying not to waste the moments that they will get, or the moments that will go in favor of Bayern Munich, and try and stop them from scoring. I think the biggest talking point, Rich, is about PSG's attack. Desiree Doué, Dembele, Kvaratskhelia. Even when they are not attacking, Rich, they are pressing. They are pressing so hard.
Two teams in one and attacking Huba.
Oh, Rich, it is very difficult to say. Very difficult to say, because Oshe first like Kvaratskhelia. There are certain instances of the game before he even takes off. Rich, you can see how electric he is. Musa Dembele, Osman Dembele, sorry. Oh, even without the ball, he's attacking. I think that it is the question I would rather set and answer for myself is that whose attack will be sharper on the night? I think PSG's attack will be sharper. But if you want me to stick my neck out and call for team will qualify, I think Bayern Munich have a good chance, because Omo will fee, and everything tells you that Vincent Kompany and the kind of team he has built to this point, he really wants to go for it with them and achieve something. I get the fact, say, PSG are very ruthless in the way they play their football. But if there's anything that will go against them today, is the fact, say, ABA only home advantage. But at least one goal advantage at Odeba Allianz Arena. Mm-hmm. So it will be very interesting to see how the game will go. Because one goal advantage, but you have come to the home of your opponent. The stadium, the atmosphere, and how electric it will be on the night. But it will also mean, say, as much as Bayern Munich could score more goals, they need to prevent PSG from scoring. And I don't see that happening. Rich, both teams will score. If you don't take care, at the end of the day, we will still be counting, say, why they share more goals? And try you'll share more goals on never qualify. So it's very difficult to call out who would win. But I expect, say, Bayern Munich have a good chance. They have a good chance. If I look at the two teams, and you want to compare them toe to toe, position for position, or share even both the attack, midfield, defense, it is too close, but I think Bayern have a good chance. Because at home, and then Otimina first goal, now Otimi defending here, now Upamecano, and then Jonathan Tah, they can watch themselves well and prevent Hurricane from getting space, and prevent Dembele from getting space. Desiree Doué, I think they'll be able to qualify today.
Alfonso Davies and Nhyira.
Good. It's Alfonso Davies and now make an sense.
Okay.
Alfonso Davies in the first leg, was a surprise, because everyone expected Conrad Lima.
No, but so you're 100% fitter. No, but sure so the never trap. No, but maybe I'm no young here. Well, Alfonso Davies no penny.
Good.
And so we share team to say Paris Saint-Germain. The name honor attack in the and I say,
yes.
So, what the player is Alfonso Davies could shout at him now. Definitely, I do have a show. But which I want to know, but I think that's 100% fitter. No. Because Coralama or no any position, no, you're converted.
I know. But if you watch carefully, that is where he has played in most of the Champions League for Bayern Munich this season.
Okay.
And once he made that, even it wasn't a mistake, but Mami can say it was a mistake. Once he considered that penalty in the first half of the first leg, also we call first half Bayern company uniform or the Conrad Lima bem. So everything shows that at least Conrad Lima should have started, except say Alfonso Davies was coming back from injury. So it looked like okay, but after the first half, it was quite clear. Said no. Let's bring back. I expect Lima to play. Rich answer na mekono.
I know we.
And now after Arsenal game, ɛna graphic way ɛbaayɛ say Arsenal has 86% chance to win a trophy this season between last night before the game and then this morning no it was hovering around 70% thereabouts but even in spite of this no amanfo bebree ejidi say Arsenal will not win a trophy this season and on say me the way ba obi beka say me pay Ateta asem ba na enti saa me ayade amehu na me di aba omo bisa Sky Sports for bisa e internet so omo say how many trophies will Arsenal win this season at least 40% for GD say Arsenal for no win a trophy this season
okay
and yes I mean pay Arsenal for Arsenal
and yeah omo pass na so
oh but rich
40%
but you see it could happen. I
understand. Yes. Which 2 trophies in now between Arsenal? I'm more trophyless.
Good.
But look, the Arsenal team in our home, and the performance that they are putting up, no, 2 trophies will be winning 1.
Only 2.
Me said the Premier League Arsenal will win it.
Okay.
For the Champions League, 50-50.
Okay.
It will be a game because a final game. Like I said, Champions League ne bono. A matter of a moment in the bar, take it.
Yeah.
What will you take here? You are good to go. And a final no, Moreno Beka to as a final yamoyeji. What I say? And so always our phrase now. I think the suiting pies Arsenal. Arsenal can defend very, very well. When you have a chance back, we do a bobo on the tuma. They can in and Mikel Arteta can manage the game and win the final. And to me, I feel yes, I have more opinion. But on the face value there, so we 2 trophies now, Arsenal, ADH now. I think one. I have very, very achievable at the EPL. I don't imagine.
But with the Champions League,
50-50.
50-50.
So it will be a game. I have a EPL on the day. Arsenal beating a Jensen book.
I like the fact that we anticipate.
Oh, good. We are now fast banner.
First one a BW 53D 53D F8 F8A 34. Now second code no a BW 53D F4 09D. Third one no a BW 53D F3 08B. Na afe fourth one no a BW 53D F1 F1CA5. Na afe last one no a BW 53D F088A. Inti ultra no etran mahweye mu omon person coffee kesim ti rich no fire sem no in fancy.
But as a Joshua Olutuna Martin and can but before no